Hello there, friends. This is Sam from Sam Munoz Consulting, WordPress developer extraordinaire and creator of the Effortless Website Kits. In today's video, I wanted to show you how to hide Pinterest images in your blog posts for your Effortless Website Kit or for WordPress in general. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come over to your WordPress dashboard or go to Theme Customizer, however you get there, either by going to Theme Customizer or from here you can go to Appearance and then click on Customize. So once you're here, you will want to pull up the first code snippet in the blog post, which is SMC Pinterest Hide. Go ahead and copy that and then go to additional CSS and paste it right in there, which I've already done. So go ahead and paste it and then click on publish. Once you've published that, you will want to go to your blog post and get the other part set up for the image. This part here actually just hides whatever is inside of the class specified, so it makes it display none. So go ahead and go to a new blog post. So now go ahead and create a new blog post so that we can hide a Pinterest image. So I'm going to add the media via the WordPress media library. So I'm just going to choose an image. And then once I do that, of course, if I previewed it, it would show up now until we apply the code. So the image shows up as expected. And what we want to do is we want to go over to the text tab, and then we'll see this big image code. Now you don't need to worry about what that means or what that does. We have a little code snippet where you just kind of replace this. So if you open the second code snippet provided in the blog post, you can copy that and then paste it into here. And where it says image code, you will replace all of that text with this big jumble of code. So go ahead and replace that. And then once you do that, you can preview your post and you will see that your image will now be gone. It is hidden on the page, but it is technically still on there, so any of your social media sharing tools will actually see it. So for example, I have this blog post on my website. I have a hidden Pinterest image that's actually down here, but nobody can see it. It's so secret. But when someone goes to pin it on Pinterest, it shows up right here. So if they pinned it, they would see my super stealthy secret pin. And that is how you add Pinterest images to your blog posts in a hidden fashion so that your tools can pick it up. Your social media tools. This one is Monarch, by the way, through Elegant Themes. Of course, this can be used for any WordPress site. This example was on our Alexa Effortless Website Kit. If you're watching on YouTube, go ahead and click the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you think this is helpful. I post lots of tech tutorials and I make learning tech and WordPress and website strategy tons of fun.